Okay, let's try it over. Hi everyone, it's Deb again. I tried to film this once. Anyway, I made this cute little house album using the ScrapDiva Designs die set, the Bakery House gift box set, and I used the house, the roof, the door, and the heart. The heart, I use that as windows. Let me show you the paper that I used. I used a combination of these papers from Michaels. Okay. The Valentine's paper is new, and then I used some scrap paper as well. So let's do a little flip through. I'm going to give you a hint about the cover. You want to make sure that you punch the cover first before you add the roof. This is the first cover that I made, and I tried to punch it after adding the roof. That did not work, so just want to give you a heads up on that. So let's go ahead and do a flip through. I didn't put chipboard in this at all. I just used the paper, and it could be a cute little notebook. Just anything that you want it to be for Valentine's Day. You could put little messages. You could do all kinds of things with this. Anyway, just a cute little flip through real quick. I wanted to show you this because I was so excited about making it. And this is inspired from Carolina Crafts. She made the gingerbread houses out of this. Oh my gosh, they were so cute. I kept trying to buy one off of her Etsy shop and never could get one. But anyway, I made my own little Valentine's version of it, and I guess I'll have to make my own gingerbread version of it too as well. But what do you think? Comment below. Let me know what you think. Once again, I used a ScrapDiva Designs die cut set, Bakery House gift box. This is actually my first ScrapDiva dies that I've ever had, and let me tell you, they cut great and super cute, and I'm very excited about using the rest of the dies that I have. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and please think about subscribing. Bye.